Alright, now if you're a Samsung Galaxy phone user, here is a very important piece of information for you guys. If you go to the Gallery application, you will notice a very important notification right on top which says Sync with OneDrive ending soon. After 1st October 2026, Gallery will no longer support syncing with OneDrive. Now this is very critical for those of you who have been using OneDrive to upload your images and videos on Gallery application. If you're using just the 5 GB free storage that you get, or if you have already bought a subscription on OneDrive and uploading all your images and videos within the Gallery to the OneDrive, then this is going to be disappointing. After 1st October, Gallery will no longer support syncing with OneDrive. Now when you tap on Learn More, this is the piece of information you get. After 30th September 2026, Gallery will no longer sync with Microsoft OneDrive. To continue backing up new photos and videos to OneDrive, turn on camera backup in the OneDrive application, which means you need to install OneDrive application from Play Store on your phone and log into it using the same account that you have logged in while syncing the OneDrive account on Gallery application. That is where you'll be able to see all your uploaded data, which means your data is not going anywhere. It is still there on OneDrive, but it is not available within the Gallery application, which means there is no integration between OneDrive and Samsung Gallery, which is a bummer. Now, what should you do? Now, if you want all those videos and images which you have uploaded to OneDrive, you can either leave it on OneDrive account itself, that will be available on OneDrive Cloud. You can access it on the web, or you can install the OneDrive application on the phone and access all those data. But if you don't want to use OneDrive anymore, you can download all the data from OneDrive right onto your phone, which will be downloaded to your Gallery. That is the second thing that you can do. And if you have bought a subscription already from OneDrive, you can either continue using it on OneDrive application, or you can end the service and store all the data that you have already stored. It will remain there. You will be able to access them whenever you want. The big change here is the automatic sync of Gallery data to OneDrive is not going to happen within the Gallery application. Once you download the OneDrive application, go to camera backup in the OneDrive app. There you'll be able to automatically upload all your camera backup, all your images and videos from camera to OneDrive. So just go to the Play Store, search for OneDrive application. Here it is, Microsoft OneDrive. I will enable it since I've already installed it, update it. Just open the app. This is my OneDrive account. Just go to the profile picture. And here you can see out of 5 GB, I have used just 69.2 MB. I don't back up my data to OneDrive. But if you're someone who is doing it, you will get that details here. And here go to settings and scroll down, you will see camera backup option. Keep your photos safe in the cloud and view them on all your devices. Just tap on this and confirm. Now what happens is all your images and videos that you take on the camera application will sit in the camera folder on your Gallery, and all those images and videos from the camera folder will automatically get uploaded to OneDrive. That is how you need to use OneDrive backup going forward on your Galaxy phones. It says to keep these cloud photos and videos in Gallery, download them now, or go to Gallery settings, sync with OneDrive, download originals later. This is something which I already mentioned. Let me tap on OK. And here I still have Gallery sync option with OneDrive. This will disappear very, very soon, and you will not find this cloud icon on top anymore. For some people, this icon has already started disappearing and there is no OneDrive sync option. But if you're still seeing it, it will disappear very, very soon. This is something which I wanted to keep you guys informed. Let me know what do you think about this change. Is this going to affect you in any way? Let me know in the comment section. And while you do that, be sure to subscribe to the channel to know your phone better. Give this video a like, and don't forget to download our wallpaper application Wallverse. The wallpaper that you see here, the gradient one, was recently added under premium section. If you go to premium section and keep scrolling down, you will see that wallpaper right over here. Go ahead and check it out. The link for the app is in the description. Thanks for watching. You guys take care and stay safe. Cheers. Bye-bye.